Naming organic compounds. So naming organic compounds is pretty simple if you know the names attached to the amount of carbons present. If you have one carbon present, you will use meth and name it methane because you're dealing with alkanes here. Once you have a single bond existing between two carbons, you're dealing with the alkane family. F, F is for two carbons, so ethane. Prop is for three carbons, so you will name it propane. But is for four carbons, so you will name it butane. Pent is for five carbons, so you will name it pentane. And hex is for six carbons, so you will name it hexane. 7, 8, 9, and 10 are hept, oct, non, dec, respectively. So you will call it heptane, octane, nomine, decane, right? Sometimes chains have branches. So by the methyl branch here, this is CH, 3H is attached to C, where and then the extra bond is attached to any long chain group, alkyl group, and we have here two C's attached to H as a branch, and we call it the ethyl branch because you have C2H5 attached to any long chain alkyl group. So when naming this, as I said, you always give the carbon with the group attached to it the lower number, right? So you have here, um, you have here the C having number 2 instead of number 3. If you count this way, it'll be 3. So it's C number 2, tablets 2, and you have the methyl group on this C, which is a 2. So you have 2 methyl, and the carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the R group that we were talking about earlier, is known as butane. So 2-methyl butane. So what's the name of the following molecule? It's also 2-methyl butane. It's just written the opposite direction. And remember, the carbon that has the group is always given the lower number, right? So we have 2-methyl butane here as well. With this one, we count our long chain. Maybe you could try it. I give you 2 seconds. Well, so what I'm gonna do, since I see groups hanging off here in this region, I'm gonna start counting from this end. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one chain, right? And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another chain, right? Let me do this in a different color. So this is another chain here going this way, and then we could have another chain which we didn't even realize that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I would think that the green line is the longest line. So I would take this one, and since we have 1, 2, 3, I can write it as 1, 2, 3, and on the third one we have a carbon here, and we have 1, 2, 3 going across as a 1, 2, 3, right? So we can store right out like this. You can do this, which is what I did down here, just so you can see. And because of that, now we could put in our hydrogens, right? And you would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? And our longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I count this way because if we count this way, we get this as carbon 4 instead of 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the third carbon, and this is a methyl group right here. So we have 3 methyl, and what's the name of a 6 carbon chain? Hexane. And that's a wrap. Remember to subscribe and comment today, actually. It would be great. Alright, send me your comments, send me your questions, and I'll be glad to help you.